close to it too. And we're just gonna continue moving the line up while we flick out. Because when you flick, it'll create a soft line. Right? You'll see when I start my skin fade, I'll make a really harsh line where I want the fade to start. And you always go against the grain.
Gangster grain.
Yeah. See how my teeth are opposite of where his hair grows? That's what you want to do when you use your clipper. All the time. If the hair grows straight down, you go straight down with it. You always follow against the grain. Now we're gonna make a harsh line. And me, when I do my fading, I like to kind of put a silhouette on the lineup. You know what I mean? Like sometimes I'll line it up right now just to see where I want to put my fade. But I mean, I already know where I want to put it. I'm just going to make my first line, my first guy line. This is a harsh line, but it's not completely harsh because I still slightly flick out on the bottom. You see that? You gotta practice putting in lines like this. It's nice and soft. You're gonna put your first guideline. And then we'll just fade him. So now this is no guard open. I'm gonna flick into my open one that I just put in there. I'm gonna show you the easiest way to fade, okay?
Yes.
So right now I just open, no guard. And then now to connect it all here, this bottom line, I'm gonna close it all the way. And then just slowly move this line up into what I just cut. Like that. Remember that? A little bit?
Yes.
Boom, up again. A little bit. Up again.
Oh.
See?
Yeah. Oh.
This is the easiest way to fade. It's called notching.
Notching.
Yeah, notching. See, I moved it up a little bit. See how I'm using the corner?
Yes.
That's how you get the small bit, right? Because if you go like, if you use the whole blade, right? You're going to cut that much. But if you use the corner, see?
Oh,
You
yes.
see? Full blade, it's like you cut the whole piece, but when you use a corner, you're just cutting a little thin line.
Oh.
So that's what you do up here, right? So you see these little strips of like dark hair. That's how you detail a fade, is you use your corner. And you really have to look at like the small little pieces. And you have to just make it all look as consistent as you can. So I mean, like this fade right here, especially at your school, like that'll pass. You know what I mean? Like that's that's a fade. It's a really good fade. But there's obviously more detail work that I would love to do. Because to me, that's not faded, right? Like, so then right here, this is gonna make the fade really stand out. So, hey. This, you want it to be as sharp as you can get it with just your trimmer. Make a nice sharp line here. .5,
5.
zero guard. Now I'm gonna detail it.
Yo, Chris. Yo. Stop. Go lay down.
You see how the fade really complements his head shape.
Yes.
See, I didn't do a straight line like this. I kind of like slightly round, right? So we can create a nice silhouette of his head.
Come here. Friends. Come here. Come here. It's a boy. Come here. Friends. Come here. Come here. Hey. Friends. Fine. Here.
This is detailing. This is how you get the Instagram fade, right? How's that one look?
Yeah.
Then obviously to finish it, you just clear all the bulk on the bottom, right? And you just repeat your steps.